class, have you ever wondered how apps like Facebook, Shopee, or Grab communicate with their servers? For example, when you log in, send a message, or check your orders, how does the app get that data? Today, we will understand the backbone of modern web applications, web communication, and APIs. API stands for Application Programming Interface. Think of an API as a waiter in a restaurant. You, the client, order food. The waiter, the API, takes your request to the kitchen, which is the server, and then brings back your order as a response. So in web development, the client is your browser or app, the API is the messenger, and the server processes the request. For example, when you open a weather app, it doesn't store all weather data. Instead, it calls a weather API to get real-time information. One of the most common types of API is called a REST API. REST stands for Representational State Transfer. REST APIs follow certain rules. First, they are stateless. Each request is independent. The server does not remember previous requests. For example, every time you log in, your credentials must be sent again. Second, client-server separation. The client handles the user interface, while the server handles data processing. Third, they are resource-based. In REST, everything is considered a resource, like users, products, or orders, identified by URLs. Fourth, they use standard HTTP methods. Let's talk about those methods. GET is used to retrieve data from the server, like getting all users. POST is used to send data and create a new resource, like registering a new user. PUT is used to update existing data, such as a user's profile, and delete is used to remove data. Remember it. GET equals read, POST equals create, PUT equals update, and delete equals remove. When data is sent between client and server, it needs a format. The most common format is JSON or JavaScript Object Notation. JSON is lightweight and easy to read. Notice how data is in key-value pairs, keys are in quotes, and values can be text or numbers. Almost all modern APIs use JSON because it is simple and works well with JavaScript. Now, how do we actually call an API in JavaScript? We use tools like Fetch API or AJAX. The fetch function sends a request to the API, then converts the response into JSON, and finally displays the data while handling errors. AJAX allows web pages to update data without reloading the page. When you scroll Facebook and new posts appear, that's AJAX. Let's connect everything. When you log into a website, the browser sends a post request via API. The server checks your data. The server responds in JSON. The browser then updates the UI using Fetch or AJAX. So today, we learned the basics of APIs. Understanding APIs is essential because almost all modern applications depend on them. Go start building!